Hello, everybody. My name is Omar. Welcome back. I'm a local Houston realtor. Today, I have another house for you guys listed under $250,000. This one's going to be in Spring, Texas. It's going to give you a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 1 story. You're going to have around 1,300 square feet of living space and a lot size of around 5,000. Now, it is built in 2025, has never been lived in before, and it's going to give you a 2 car garage as well. You're going to be located in the Spring ISD School District, which is going to put you in Gloria Marshall Elementary, Ricky C. Bailey Middle School, and Spring High School. And you're going to be located in the established neighborhood of Cypress Trails of Timberlane. Being here in this neighborhood, you're going to have access to amenities like playgrounds, parks, sports courts, and a pool. You're also going to be close to some major highways like easy access to the Grand Parkway, Hardy Toll Road, I-45, 1960, and you're still going to be fairly close to 99. You're also going to be above the George Bush International Airport. That's a bit about the house. What I like about it is how it blends new construction with that classic feel of older homes. You're going to see it with the front porch. You can kind of see with the kitchen behind me has that old classic tone to it, but you also have some updated features that you find in new construction like tile, recessed lighting, and stainless steel appliances already included, guys. So let's go ahead and head outside. You are going to find my contact information. If you guys have any questions of anything that wasn't covered in this video, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. You'll also find additional information about the community and the house itself. So let's go head outside and begin this tour for you guys. All right, guys, now we are in the exterior and you can already see what I mean by that classic feel with the elevation, the brick exterior, and that front covered porch. I'm filming this around 4 p.m. But here you can see a bit about the neighborhood. Very nice, very peaceful. You do have a 4-car driveway, plus the 2 you can fit inside your private garage. It has that classic white. And then here, one of the main things I was talking about is that front porch. As you can see, it has that very classic feel with the brick and with it being covered and the fence around it. Right here, you can put your seating area. Now, this house is facing east. So later when you come home in the evening, it is gonna be fully shaded and it's gonna have a nice view to your front yard and the cars passing by. This is going to be your entrance. As you can see, guys, you're going to find laminate throughout the floor, no carpet. Now, right next to the door, you're going to find your first bedroom. You will have 2 windows looking out towards the patio and your front yard. Like I said, this was facing east, so it's going to be covered. I'm filming this at 4 p.m. As you can already see, it's providing a lot of shade. And the sliding doors for your closet, pretty spacious. As you can see, it goes all the way from end to end on the room, with both doors being able to slide. Over here to the left, you'll have your 2-car private garage with this area where you can actually store some more extra stuff. And you have the water heater at the corner. Pretty standard. And then across from that, you have a mud closet / coat closet that you can use to hang some stuff, store like your brooms and vacuums. Have easy access to go ahead and clean the rest of the house. You also, next to that, have the first bathroom. This is gonna be for your guest and when you don't want people accessing the primary bathroom. So you're gonna find laminate countertops here, a nice round mirror, some lighting, and then you find this nice colored dark oak cabinets towards the bottom. Give you guys a quick tour. And then you have some extra space here. You have the toilet and then your shower tub combo with this tile. That looks nice. You also have some windows and your towel hangers right there. Now, you are going to be greeted by the living / dining / kitchen area. As you guys can see, you have a recessed lighting throughout the home. And then you find that dark oak cabinets here as well. Now with some new construction homes, you find the pantry built into the corner of the wall, typically here. With this one, it's gonna be actually part of your cabinet space, as you can see here. It's not gonna be connected, so it's gonna add more contrast, as you can see with those cabinets and that dark oak color. So that is your pantry. Lots of space, as you can see. In my opinion, it actually provides more space than what you typically see in new constructions at this price range. Another thing to note is you find laminate here for your countertops as well, alongside your stainless steel appliances. So you have your stove, your microwave, and your refrigerator over here, as well as your dishwasher, all by Whirlpool, which is a great brand. Lots of cabinet space, as you can see, and then you do have a double sink. Doesn't have too much space in terms of depth, but you do have two, which makes it more manageable for you guys. Now, next to that, you will have your living area. You are gonna have a ceiling fan, a window, and access to your backyard. It's a very nice size, and you're gonna be connected to the kitchen, which makes it super convenient. And then once you're actually sitting down for dinner, that light is gonna be coming in through that window, providing in some natural light. And then here you will have your backyard door with the blinds actually integrated into it. As you can see, it's actually inside the window, which you control here with this lever. But let's take a look at the backyard. You do have a covered patio in the back as well. Like I said, it's almost 5,000 square feet, so it is a decent size. I think it's perfect if you have some smaller animals. Fully fenced, as you can see, and there is no big trees on this property either. You do have some on the neighbor's side, as you can see on that one, on both sides of your neighbors, but none on yours, apart from that bush there. And then a side gate there. You do have some faucets as well, so you can water and maintain your grass. Now, it isn't fully leveled. There is some, as you can see, holes there that dip a bit, and then some parts that are a bit elevated. Something to keep in mind. And then here is gonna be your small covered patio. And it does have some lights there. Back inside, guys, we're gonna take a look at the next bedroom. You have the first bedroom, your bathroom, and now your second bedroom. This is gonna be it. Very similar layout. This one's only gonna have one window, but it is gonna have that same closet size. And now here is gonna be your laundry room, right next to all the bedrooms, which makes it super convenient. Washer and dryer connections and some shelving on top for your detergent. I think it's in a very convenient space, so you don't have to be hauling that laundry too far across the house. It's conveniently located next to the primary and to the second bedroom. Now that one might have to walk a bit, but hey, it's a bit of exercise. Now this is gonna be your primary, guys. Ceiling fan. This one is gonna have two windows, letting in a lot of light since the sun is setting on the west. And you're gonna have a view to the backyard as well. Here is the primary bathroom. Let me go ahead and close this door so we can actually see how spacious it is in here. So you walk in, immediately gonna be in front of the sink with that round mirror you found in that other bathroom. Same lighting situation, a toilet, and this one is gonna have a walk-in shower, guys, with this matte marble finish tile across. You do have some lighting. I know a lot of restrooms actually don't have a lighting around and they only depend on this one. So this one is actually gonna give you good lighting. Have some shelving built in for your shampoo, conditioner, and then plastic at the bottom. Next to that, you will also have some extra ambient lighting from outside. And then pretty good amount of cabinet space, as you guys can see. Now these are soft closed. Those little details matter. And then pretty good amount of counter space here in the bathroom. Next to that, you'll find the closet, guys. This is a very nice sized closet, as you guys can see. Lots of space to hang your clothes there. Now, guys, that is it for this full tour of this home. I think it's a perfect opportunity for someone looking to blend new construction with that classic feel, as you guys could see. Let me know what you guys think. You'll find more information about the house and my contact as well. If you guys are looking to move, I'd love to assist you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you so much.